Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Core blimey, that one's green. Oh yes, that's one green FN2. Today we are fitting a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system, Skunk 2 induction kit, Japspeed 4:1 manifold, and then we're going to map it up with the ecutek software. So let's do this. Well, the hard work is done. The spannering is completed, and now it's time to map it. That's very green. Hi guys.
Just getting myself comfortable there.
We're just getting comfortable. Yeah, this is a very green FN2, Richard. It's had a vinyl wrap.
It has had a vinyl wrap, yeah.
I would hope that was many years ago.
Yeah, I think it's got
looking a bit tired.
Looking a bit tired, isn't it? But yeah, well, they do after a man.
But it's very green and it makes a visual impact.
Got some red mood lighting.
Yeah, it looks like we're in a tanning salon in there. I am feeling a bit pasty, so maybe I could do with a little bit of sunshine. It is Monday. The majority of today has been very grey and drizzly in Nuneaton, but the sun has finally came out just in time for us to leave and it rain all the way home, I would imagine.
I would imagine that's exactly how that'll go down.
Now, it's Jeno's first day back from his holiday, and I must say I'm rather impressed with his level of work today. He's done a good job.
What, you mean I've had to go in and help him, you mean?
Well, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Obviously.
He's only done a good job if I don't have to step in and
Yeah,
help.
I understand, but he's worked bloody hard today.
I don't know how you can say that. You've not been watching him work.
That's been my favourite part of him being here, me not having to watch him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've actually got a new staff member as well, haven't we?
What, in the paint shop?
Got Mackenzie in the paint shop. Lovely young lad.
We haven't really spoke to him much, have we?
We haven't, because he's been working so bloody hard.
Yeah, he's been down the paint shop with Keith, ain't he? So we've not really not had a chance to speak to him much, but we know him anyway, don't we? We know his dad well, so it's he should fit in nicely, I think, in the team in the paint shop. He's starting his college course and he's with us just a few days a week, isn't he?
Yeah,
so.
he seems a good lad. We've had him here before, haven't we?
Yeah.
So that's the paint shop update. Uncle Keith, he's actually got a golf in there at the moment for a liquid wrap.
He has. That's this week's work, isn't it?
But yeah, Fn2 wise, this one's had some modifications today, hasn't it? It's had a Japspeed 4-1 mated to a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system and a Skunk 2 induction kit.
It is indeed.
Yeah.
Someone's wandering around.
Bear with us. A little bit of interruption there. Somebody wanted an alloy wheel welding.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's had, like I say, it's had some good mods. This it can make more power with an RRC inlet manifold, I think.
Yeah, I think that's where I'd go with this car now.
Yeah, it's
with the mods that it's got.
It's made 221 brake horsepower.
Yeah, it's sort of exactly where I expect it to be.
Yeah, it sort of made that power before map, but obviously it was a bit lean, and then we've mapped it and made a load of power in the mid-range, as you would expect.
Yeah, but also that's a power run with all the modifications on the car.
Of course, that's
not as the car came in this morning, is it either?
No. But
so you know, though it had I think it had a Milltek exhaust on it, twin exit, which is obviously not the best. It just had a standard manifold with a decat pipe and the standard induction kit. So realistically, probably around the 210 mark, maybe.
This is going to feel incredible.
Yeah, it'll feel completely different for sure.
Yeah, and he's got all the way back to Scotland to enjoy it.
Yeah, obviously some switchable maps to play with as well. Should we have a look at that graph?
I suppose we better look at his graph and get his paperwork done so he can get on his way. Let's do it.
Quote.
Okay, so red line was after we had modified it and put it on the dyno, and blue line was after Richard has tuned it. As you can see, lowered the VTEC, raised the rev range, and that's what you got, some power in the mid-range there. We finish on 221 brake horsepower, which is 189 at the wheels. So code word is obviously green, like the Green Lantern. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Let's all welcome Jeno back. We're all happy to see Jeno back, and we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, mate?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.